For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
ICSE board exams for Standard 10 and 12 were scheduled to be held in Maharashtra from July 2nd. The government told the Bombay High Court that it refused permission in view of the current COVID-19 situation in the state. Advocate General Ashutosh Kumbhakoni told the court that the government was not conducting its own university exams for final year students in the wake of the pandemic. State Disaster Management Committee headed by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray in a meeting on Tuesday had decided not to permit the ICSE board exams. The state government cannot permit the conduct of ICSE exams from July 2nd given the current COVID-19 situation in the state, Kumbhakoni told the court. The ICSE board had decided to conduct its pending examinations from July 2nd to 12 across the state. ICSE board exams could not be held in March due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Bombay High Court was hearing a petition filed by a city resident challenging the board's decision. The petitioner had claimed that it was not feasible to hold the exams in view of the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. It would be appropriate to declare results based on the gradation and assessment of the past performance of students in internal exams, the petitioner opined. The court on Monday had directed the state government to clear its stand on the issue. The ICSE board last week told the High Court that it had decided to offer options to students. The offer to students was to either take the pending exams in July or have their final results determined on their performance in internal assessment. The bench had then directed the board to present its methodology for alternative grading for those students who opt not to physically appear for the exams. The board told the court on Wednesday that it had come up with a methodology. The board told the court that similar matters pertaining to exams of both the ICSE and CBSE boards were pending before the Supreme Court. The ICSE Board Counsel, Darius Kambata, said that the Apex Court is likely to take up the matter on Thursday. The High Court hearing the Board Counsel posted the petition for further hearing on June 29th.